Most people think the biggest travel mistakes happen at the airport. They don't. They happen before you ever leave your house. Here are 5 things I never skip before every trip. First, take photos of your passport, driver's license, and credit cards. If your physical wallet is ever lost or stolen, having these digital copies in a secure cloud folder can be an absolute lifesaver when dealing with embassies or banks. Next, always notify your credit card company if you're traveling internationally. There is nothing more frustrating than having your card declined at a dinner in a foreign country because the bank flagged the transaction as suspicious. Don't rely on airport Wi-Fi. Download your airline boarding passes and hotel confirmations directly to your phone's wallet or as PDFs. It ensures you have everything you need even if you lose connectivity. Always pack your essential medications in your carry-on, never in your checked luggage. If your suitcase goes missing or is delayed, you won't have to worry about missing important doses while you're away. Finally, leave a copy of your full itinerary with someone you trust at home. Whether it's a friend or family member, it's vital that someone knows exactly where you're staying and how to reach you in case of an emergency. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe and like this video. If you'd like more stress-free travel tips like these, subscribe to Traveling with Mike Gray. And if you're planning your next vacation, I'd be happy to help make it easy.